I've recommended a lot of tools over the last couple of years, but I keep coming back to the AK series of battery-powered tools from STIHL, and more specifically, the blower and the trimmer. These tools are absolutely fantastic, and I'm going to show you why. It's not just that I like STIHL tools, which I do. It's that these tools in particular have all of the things that I enjoy about power tools without the things that I don't. More specifically, fuel, maintenance, and the pull start. All of that has been replaced with this. When I was first introduced to these tools, I was concerned that I'd be trading quality for convenience. But after using them extensively, I can honestly say that's not a concern anymore. In fact, these are the tools that I recommended to my own parents.